Hi guys, how are you? We will learning today how to create library in Final Cut Pro. Let's start. First, open Final Cut Pro, launch the application, create a new library, left side corner, select a new, then choose library, enter a name for your library. Easy. My new project. Choose where you want to save it on your computer. Click the save plus icon next to your new library to add events. Add events this I can hold your media projects and other assets. Your new library is now ready for you to input media. Click on the input media button. Select the files you want to input media. Select the files you want to input. Click the import selected button at the bottom right of the window. Where media files will be imported, click the new project button. Name your project. You can customize the video format, resolution and format or leave it on automatic settings to match the first clip you add. Your new project will appear in selected event and you can start editing clips and editing. Today you do best work, tomorrow your future is bright. Thank you for watching. Jai Hind.